Baba ngicela usifundele kwincwadi kaMateyu chapter 27 sizawufunda lapha from verse 45 up until verse 46. Isaiah 53 verse 3 says, "He was despised and rejected by mankind, a man of suffering and familiar with pain. Like one of whom people hide their faces, he was despised, and we held him in low esteem." Lana sibona uJesu ngehora elinzima, ngehola lobumnyama ebiza babakhe. The question is, uma umnyama empilweni yakho ubiza bani? Now uJesu lithi, just giving the picture, bekungo 3 in the afternoon, but kwahluka umnyama, because some of us, if not all of us, kuke kuthi kungo 1 emini kube mnyama empilweni zethu, kuke kuthi kungo 5 a.m. wasehlobo kusekuseni kodwa kubande kube mnyama. Now uJesu uma sekufika kulesikhathi sobumnyama, he remembers, even though I'm forsaken, but I'm known by heavens. Izulu liyangazi, noma abantu bangangiforsake bangilahle labantu, kodwa kunoThixo ongaziyo, kunoNkulunkulu ongikhumbulayo, kulendawo engikhala kuyo, kulendawo engibalekela kuyo. Hallelujah bazalwane. The question is, when you are forsaken, where do you run to? Ziningi indawo zikhona emhlabeni, baningi abantu shoulders to lean on, but zinama conditions, zinama terms wakhona. Bakhona bebangahlabelela iculo likuphilise likupholise, but there's always a Father that you need to run to. There's always a Father that you have to call upon. Hallelujah bazalwane. Ilanga lakhe belilide, bekakhathele, bekunzima, because in moments lapho ungazi ukuthi ngizokwenza njani, it's too tough. There's a Father in heaven that you can call upon. His name is God. Hallelujah. His name is God. Akakwazi ukulahlana, akakwazi ukushiyana, kodwa uma nomuntu angimthokozisa, athi ahlabelelayo, athi umi nami ngimthokozise ngeenkathi zobumnandi, ngeenkathi zobunzima, but God remains engumthokozisi wakho. May God bless you.